One false move, I'm gonna make your bond so high your head will spontaneously combust.
We head to Houston, Texas for a probable cause hearing. 38-year-old Cody Fritter has been charged with harassment and, in a separate case, assault on a household member. 5 days earlier, police say Fritter got into a physical altercation with his live-in girlfriend after she failed to put away his socks. Investigators say they also discovered several harassing voicemails and text messages sent from Fritter to the alleged victim. Fritter was arrested and released on $50,000 bond with several conditions, including that he have no contact with the alleged victim and that he abstain from drugs and alcohol. Today, he appears before Judge David Fleischer to discuss next steps in the harassment case. Fritter is represented by attorney Abel Izaguirre.
Mr. Fritter, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause.
Judge Fleischer asks the prosecutor to review the charges.
In the voicemails, the defendant curses at her, asking, "Where are you? Why the are you at work?" and calling her various names. Additionally, the complainant showed the officer text messages of the defendant telling the complaining witness, "Kill yourself and I want to watch you suffocate, and your family hates you." The complaining witness indicated that the continual harassment is making her fear him even more.
I see that he has also picked up a felony assault against this complaining witness as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what happened in that one?
The complaining witness advised that the defendant came home upset about socks not being in the closet. The defendant punched the complaining witness with a closed fist on her foot twice, on her right thigh, and twice on her left thigh, causing pain. The complaining witness advised that the defendant grabbed her by the arm and forcefully shoved her out of the house, throwing her on the porch. The officers observed purple and green bruises on her arm, foot, and her legs.
You know, Mr. Fritter, let me tell you something now. You scare me. And you scare me something good. Look at me! Can you imagine what life is like when someone has to walk on eggshells because they have the fear that if they make someone mad in the smallest respect of having socks not in the damn drawer, they're liable to get a beating? Can you imagine what life is like to live with that kind of fear? You're gonna live it with me now. Because one false move, I'm gonna make your bond so high your head will spontaneously combust. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm entering what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies her as a protected individual. You're not to have any kind of communication whatsoever. You will not have any threatening or harassing contact. What is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think is threatening or harassing. It's what she perceives. So if I go like this, is that threatening or harassing? It most certainly is. Mr. Fritter, I will do everything in my power to protect every single person of this county. And I don't care if you're kicking, screaming, crying, because you go to jail and don't have anyone to bond you out.
And with that, Judge Fleischer released Fritter with the same bond conditions: no contact with the alleged victim and no use of drugs or alcohol.
Mr. Fritter, if you fail to live up to these bond conditions, I'm just gonna let you out. That's it. And if I get one, and I mean one breath that she's been mistreated in any way, shape, or fashion, holy freaking moly.
A month later, Fritter pled guilty to assault on a household member, and the harassment case was dismissed. He was given deferred adjudication, which means if he completes 2 years of probation without any violations, The assault case will also be dismissed.